त्या दिवशी काम केलं.
Namaskar. I'm Nanishwari Kamath, basically an architect. I'm associated with CEMS and is to same for the last 6-7 years. And while we were doing many projects like Games Weekend or a stall at our exhibition, we came across one book. And that was सचित्र मराठी खेळांचे पुस्तक by अनंत बाबाजी देवधर, which was published in 1905 under the patronage of Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad of Baroda state then, and it had given almost 180 plus games. And we know that we've gone through so many socio-economic and political changes since the last 115 years. So we would like to know what were the changes that has happened through those years. So this is a glimpse of what was there. Next. The book has got two parts. One is Mulanse Khel and second one is Mulinse Khel. There were separate games for boys and separate games for girls. Next. But what else was there in the games book? He talked about history and mythological stories about many of the games. There were rules and tricks, of course, associated with those games. He had mentioned materials, what Dr. Balanbal and Unitha Madam just now said. Different materials were used by players to play those games. There were folk songs, Ovya, Ukhani, what we know in Marathi. They were associated with many of these games. And there were specific terms associated with specific games. And of course, there was social information as who, when, and why those games were played. So this is not merely a documentation of games, of rules and boards as such. This is a social-cultural documentation of the society at that time in 1905. Next, please. The games for boys were further divided in outdoor games, which has got so many other categories, and indoor games. In indoor games, he speaks about Ganjifa and not cards. Whereas the gazetteer at that time tells that indoor games were cards and pachisi. He has spoken about Chaupat, which is pachisi, and he speaks about Mokshapat. He doesn't say Sapshidi or snakes and ladders. Games for girls were all indoor games. Not a single outdoor game was mentioned in over there, which is very, very surprising because since 1893, Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad had made it compulsory for each boy and girl to be in the school and to have physical education also. So even after 15 years, there is no mention of any outdoor game. Next, please. There is no mention of Ashtachamma or Aath Challas game, which we know. There is no mention of Mankala games, which were there in Maharashtra and Baroda at that time. There is no mention of skipping, which is a very common game. And all the games for girls were used for character building, so that they can have better role as housewives. See, it was not just fun; it was character building for girls. So you know what the society used to think about games at that time, and what Madam Anita just now said. That we use games for so many other purposes now, irrespective of whether they are made for boys or girls. Next, please. So it was very difficult for us to go through all those 180 games and find out the status. So we found out some few games on the basis of a specified field. So games which require specified field and specific rules. Some of them require only specific open space, some require trees, water bodies, and jungle other games which we have selected to find out what is the difference it was then and now. I talked to many people around Maharashtra and Baroda, of course, to find out, to take out the data. Next, please. First is Atyapata, which requires a specific field, and there is specific rule set for this. Mr. Devdar has mentioned that in 1871, Nagtu Atyapata Club started propagating this game, and by 1888, after 17 years, there were first set of rules which were formed. And then now we have Atyapata Federation, Kashmir, Kerala, Odisha, Maharashtra. There are 25 states which have this game. Our neighbors also play this game, Bangladesh and Bhutan. There is Shiva Chhatrapati Puraskar given to the players. There are jobs available, but what is the condition today? Next, please. Atyapata is set to make comeback. Why comeback? Because we have forgotten that game. There is no social support. The society is not ready to support this game. People say that they should have changed some rules to match up with today's life. So there is no support for this game at present. So Atyapata is about to get extinct in few years if we not support that game. Next please. What happens with Kho-Kho? Kho-Kho also requires a specific field and specific set of rules. There are different rules which were specified in 1914. In 1945, they were reformed. See, the rules are reformed as the time has changed. It was exhibited internationally in 1949. There are many states, many countries, they play this game. We already had international championship in 2018 in England, which was won, of course, by India. Next, please. See, you see women playing this game. This was mentioned as Bolansa Khel. So my aunt-in-law, she told me in 1940s they used to have stitched shorts to play this game. Society has changed from 1905 to 1940. Even girls started playing this game. Government is supporting this game, and this game still is alive. Next, please. Now we come to games where only open space is required. Masapani or Sakri, it's a tag game. Vishampak, many of us must be knowing. Masood Khodi or Kande Khodi or Anda Khodi also is known. It is a sort of high jump game. All these games are played in schools, in villages, even in town, but at a lesser amount. Next, please. Surparabya requires skill to climb up the trees. People say there are no trees. Their parents have become very protective about their children, so they don't allow children to climb the trees. So this game is almost on the verge of extinction. I have got only one mention of this game when I interviewed so many people around Maharashtra. Next, please. Top spinning. I need not say anything because Sunita ma'am has already shown children playing this game. In 2001, this Beyblade's cartoon series, Japanese series was there, and there was a havoc in market. Different colored tops with their launchers, which is here. They had even stadiums, so this appealed to the 21st generation, 21st century generation. And children again came back to this game. This game is always played, even today. Next, please. Now we come to Mulinse Khel. He has mentioned Jimma, Fugli and many other types of games under Mangalagauri's Khel. Mangalagaur is observed by a newly married woman for the long life of her husband in the month of Shravan. Even today we have this. But because we don't play these games, we don't consider these as games today, not even in the villages. I remember when I was young, we used to play Fugli anytime. But now, only during Mangalagaur, the Shravan, ladies play this game, and professionals have come in. There are groups. They train themselves for 1 or 2 months. They practice. They tell you that we showcase 50 games, 100 games, and then they are invited to play these games. They think that this is a window of games and rituals, and they are retaining culture and tradition, and the bonus is physical fitness. So, this is the condition of Manava. Next, please. Thumb Kambori or guarding the pillar was a very common game. It is still played today, but it is used as a tourist attraction by many of the resorts. People don't play this game, not so much. Same with Eki Beki, what you were talking about. See, this is a basic guessing game. You pick up some pebbles in your hand and ask your partner how many pebbles are there. Either they are even, Eki, or odd.
We call it as Nanamula Tachi. 4 corners and everything.
So this was the game originally. Now it has become an after-wedding ritual. In Gujarati families, it is observed after wedding. Even in some Muslim families, they use they use it for playing this game after wedding. So this has purely become a ritual and not a game anymore. Next, please. This is Sompya, Chopad, Pachisi. Everyone knows about this. Children play Ludo, simplified version of this. We found one article by Mr. Vikas Paranspe of Jyotsna publication where he had written down how the family plays this game. And very surprisingly, the same terminology, the same game is mentioned in that Marathi Sachitra Khedanse Pustak under the term as Hool or Dufashi. So here the tradition of playing the same game with the same terminology used is still continuing, at least in one family. Next, please. This is something very different, very interesting. Our friend Sojal Sari had gone to Trirashni Games of the Pandavini at Nashik, and he sent us this photograph. Now, since we have started studying about games, every etching, every form we see, we think of a game only. But we didn't get any information. We talked to so many people, they are not aware of this. What is this? We don't know. Then we were wondering whether this is really a game or whether this is a game and we have lost it. But, next please. Voila, you got this. This is known as Odal Pagada. It is mentioned in the book in 1905. We don't have anyone who is playing this game in this particular manner which has been put here. But we have the records, we have the board, we have the rules, and we can play. So we can revive that game. And if time permits, today we are going to play this game. So this is a fun. Next please. So some observations when we went through this. First was all Mulanse Khel are played by only girls. All girls play all Mulanse Khel. But when we had the stall in our exhibition and we had placed Sagar Gotri and Kansapani, when we told the children to play, they used to say, Mulinse Khel, Kamine Khel. These are all girl names. We are not going to play. When we told them it is not necessary, you did not segregate it, separate it at Mulinse Khel. You also can play this. So this is the thing, that all Mulanse Khel are played by girls. So availability of ready-made games, Madam at Krida. You've made it impossible for children to think, to imagine how they can use the materials around them to play. It is not necessary to have ready-made games. You can imagine, that is very important when you play games. So that is the See, songs which are related to this, which were mentioned in the book, are still there. The oral tradition continues somehow. The games have vanished. Some of the games have vanished, but the oral tradition, you will find the same songs even sung today, after 150 years. Yes, we know the less space, open space, the time children have it is very difficult for them to follow this. Mobile games, I did not tell you. Everybody has spoken about this, how their children are addicted to mobile games. In all the sports complexes, games are selected or allowed to play are the games which have got the possibility of getting jobs. This also has been, when we spoke to so many people, we found this also. One very genuine confession was by some parents that we never played these games with our children. We cannot blame them. So it is us. We are supposed to play these games with our children, next generation, so that can be continued. All these games will be revived. And a very strange observation. The Imperial Gazetteer in 1908 says, cricket and football, especially the former, becoming popular in towns and villages where schools exist. That holds true even today. So thank you Ramesh, thank you Mr. Trust.